Good evening, everybody, and my apologies that I've been running a little late because the Rajya Sabha was running till 7:30. Rarely ever you see that we are working hard. That's not true, actually. That's a belief you'll have. But we do work hard. So the Rajya Sabha just got adjourned about half an hour back, and I came running here. So if I look a bit washed out, stressed, irritable, blame it on the Rajya Sabha proceedings. So firstly, it is totally a privilege and an honor to be here, and I've known Anurag ji before I was even a member of parliament, and I think there are very few people in the country who do not know Anurag ji because of the vast body of work that he does and the entire spectrum of what he brings to the table under Exchange for Media. I think Exchange for Media, for me, also has been a source of information, a source of guidance, and with an ability to network with the very best in the country. So thank you so much, Anurag ji, for having me here. I know I have been troubling you a lot, Tehseen, but you know, when the parliament is in session, it becomes really difficult to commit to anything at all. And once I give my commitment, it's like commitment, de diya to de diya. Aungi, mujhe baar-baar yaad dilane ki zarurat nahi hai. So I'm one of those. So, and since this is about communication, this is about public relations, the little that I know about communication and that I have learned in my journey, which I think was very beautifully expressed by one of the jury members, and I think you'll have a fantastic jury, and I wish all the very best to all the winners, but also the runners-up and those who probably could be winners next year. You'll all go out as winners. So one of the jury members said something really important, that content and communication is the king as we move forward in a highly interconnected world, in a world where content overrules everything else. We will have lesser people-to-people communication, more online communication, more digital communication, and shorter time span to be able to explain to people what you really want to convey. You know, I get all of 3 minutes in the parliament to make my intervention. Small parties get only 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and we keep hoping that there's no disruption in between. So in that 3 minutes that I have, how do I effectively ensure that my message is reaching not just to the people, the members of parliament in the Rajya Sabha, but to the people at large, and I'm also being able to communicate my party's point of view. So 3 minutes, many people think, what will you do in those 3 minutes? But I can tell you that within those 3 minutes, because of having to work on my communication and my head, editing till the point where I effectively be able to tell what I want within those 3 minutes. Most of my speeches, thank you so much, most of my speeches end up going viral for the controversies I make or for the message that I've sent across. The last thing I'd just like to leave you all with, because I have 5 minutes and I don't want to keep you all away from your awards, is that what is important is that for you all to continue to make news, to be able to effectively engage and understand what your clients need and what their expectations are, and be totally honest in your commitment to your clients. And only when you have a very effective communication with your clients and what you'll want to communicate, that is when you'll start leading the success story. So like I said, I continue to engage with whole spectrum of opinions. My opinion is a very strong opinion, but does not mean I do not listen to other people's opinions. Get ideas from the world that we are engaging with, and your knowledge cannot be reduced by the walls you've created for yourself. Let there be no walls. Let there be knowledge which continues to be flowing from everywhere, from every angle, from every perspective, so that you have a communication and a content which is effective enough to convince not just people who believe in you, but also convince those who are opposed to you. I leave you with that thought, and thank you so much for having me here once again, and wish you all the very best, and may you all continue to shine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.